Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. Let's get into this. Bitcoin has officially dropped into the low 60K range, and this move didn't come out of nowhere. Multiple macro and structural factors are converging at once. Here's what's actually driving price today. First, broader market risk-off behavior. According to Investopedia, U.S. equity markets sold off sharply today, with major indexes under pressure. When traditional markets move into risk-off mode, capital tends to rotate out of higher-risk assets like crypto, and Bitcoin feels that impact almost immediately. Second, key technical levels failed. Investing.com reports that Bitcoin broke below the critical 70K support level, which had been acting as a psychological and technical floor. Once that level failed, it flipped into resistance, triggering algorithmic and technical selling. Third, declining investor confidence and ETF outflows. In a report from Reuters, analysts note that Bitcoin has now erased a large portion of its late 2025 gains. Spot Bitcoin ETFs have seen capital outflows, signaling that institutions are reducing exposure rather than adding risk in the current environment. Fourth, monetary policy uncertainty. Reuters and Business Live both highlighted renewed concerns around tighter monetary policy, especially following headlines surrounding Federal Reserve leadership expectations. Markets are increasingly pricing in a less accommodative Fed, which historically pressures speculative assets like crypto. Fifth, leverage is being flushed from the system. According to Bitcoin Systemi, open interest across derivatives markets have dropped sharply. This indicates that leverage positions are being forced out, a process that often accelerates downside moves when price breaks key levels. And finally, spillover effects across the crypto ecosystem. Reuters also reports that Bitcoin's decline is weighing on companies and equities tied to crypto exposure, reinforcing that this isn't an isolated price move. It's a broader liquidity event. So what is the takeaway to this? This drop isn't about one headline. It's the result of risk-off sentiment, broken technical support, reduced institutional exposure, tighter macro expectations, and leverage unwinding, all happening at the same time. This combination is why we're seeing Bitcoin's trade in the 60Ks today. If you want to learn how traders navigate moves like this through strategy, risk management, and real-time market education, I share access to a trading education platform where that is the focus.